simple, fast, and delicious. Hello friends, and today I want to show you the fast and simple way to make sesame seed milk. First of all, why would you want to make sesame seed milk? Because number one, sesame seeds is a great source of fiber. On 3 tablespoons, which is 30 grams, it has 3.5 grams of fiber. Number two, sesame seeds, a great source of plant protein. 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds supply 5 grams of protein. Number three, it may support healthy bones because it has calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc. Number four, sesame seeds, a great source of B vitamins. Finally, number five, this is something you may didn't know about sesame seeds. Sesame seeds may aid hormone balance during menopause because sesame seeds contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that are similar to the hormone estrogen. So let's start making sesame seed milk. I get my sesame seeds from We Got Nuts. More you get, less you pay. This is the company that I would recommend if you are serious about making your sesame seed milk. I put here 1 cup of sesame seeds. I washed it with hot water for a few seconds. So for 1 cup of sesame seeds, I added half container of water. Now we will blend. Of course, you're not going to listen to all this noise. Me too. I don't like noise either. So I blended it for about 40-60 seconds. And now I will add honey into it. Of course, if you have diabetes, you don't have to do that. But if you don't, you can do that. And will make taste better. I add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can add up to your taste. All right, now we have honey here. What we're going to do, we're going to add more water into it. You will see how much water we'll add. All the way to the top, it's 2 liters. You don't want to put too much because when you're going to blend, foam may come out of the cover, from the cover. And now we're going to blend again. And again, I will save your ears from the noise. And my ears too. Full speed. All right, it's done. So what we have right now? We have, I'll show you right now, we have foam at the top. This is the foam. See how look delicious, it's white. Obviously it has a calcium, 28% of calcium. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're not going to strain. I'm going to torture you with all the straining and squeezing. It's not necessary. All you have to do to get this bottle, it fits 2 liters and a glass. You don't have to strain. Entire procedure takes 5 or less minutes. Depends on the quality of your blender. If you have Vitamix or Blendtec, it will take really fast and will provide a very good quality. It will blend very well. You pour everything into bottle. Look how good it looks. Creamy, delicious. All right. Now we cover it, shake it, and put it in a glass. delicious. Sesame seeds calcium absorbed very well, much better than cow milk. Delicious. It's blended very well. Some little particles you can find at the very bottom of your cup. If you are so sensitive about it, all you have to do is wait a few more minutes until all these particles settle at the bottom of the cup. Just drink your milk and leave little particles at the bottom. You can add them to your cereal, by the way, because it has all nutrients, all minerals and vitamins. It makes sense to throw this away, and especially it tastes nice. It has little honey. It tastes really nice and gentle. So you don't strain, don't waste your time on straining. If you don't want to particles, you just let it settle, particles at the bottom of your cup, and you drink from the top all the way to the bottom. That's all. Voila! Is that so simple and fast? Bon appetit! Simple, fast, and delicious. Until next time!